Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to update your Emirates ID information in the UAE Pass app when you renew your ID. First, you need to have physically renewed your Emirates ID with the ICA. UAE Pass syncs with the government database, so the new ID must be issued first. Next, open the UAE Pass app and log in using your existing credentials, PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. Then, the app should automatically detect your new Emirates ID and prompt you to update. If not, go to your Profiles section and look for Update Emirates ID or similar. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to scan your new Emirates ID. You'll need to scan both front and back, similar to the initial registration. The app will verify the new ID against the government database. This process is usually instant. Once updated, your UAE Pass will reflect your new Emirates ID details. You may need to log out and log back in to see the changes. Your digital identity is now current with your latest Emirates ID information. If this update guide was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.